Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Jason Laird.
Good morning and happy Wednesday, everybody. Hopefully your day's off to a great start. Yeah, some winter weather alerts to start things off this morning into southwestern Montana. We've got a warning in the purple and an advisory there in the blue. Details above 5,500 feet is where kind of the snow line is, and especially in that warning area, some decent accumulation is likely. Notice that's where kind of the brunt of the moisture is right now. It's going to continue making its way through central Montana today. We've got a big upper level low, and that's just kind of continuing to swirl that moisture across the state here today. We're looking at daytime highs at 60 degrees in Great Falls, 57 in the capital, mid 60s today in eastern Montana as well. As the day plays out, you'll notice still pretty heavy showers, especially into southwestern Montana. Those showers, although they may become a little bit more widespread, they're going to be scattered. In other words, not nearly as strong and pack quite the punch that what we've seen compared to what we've seen down into southwestern Montana. But still some heavier pockets of rain are expected throughout central Montana. Showers kind of tapering off with a few lingering showers then overnight into your Thursday morning, especially there along the high line. As for your precipitation tracker, it's a little bit tough to break this down because, as you notice, there is still going to be some pockets of heavier showers throughout the day, but probably about a quarter inch for most of central Montana. Down into southwestern Montana, though, quite a bit more, and even into northeastern Montana and the high line, likely picking up about a quarter of an inch there as well. Overnight low still on the chilly side, 46 in Great Falls. Same story for the capital, 50s in northeastern Montana. And future track tomorrow, we're going to continue to see some showers, but they're going to continue to become more isolated, more sporadic as the day plays out. Those showers are going to kind of taper off then late into the afternoon on Thursday. Still a rather cool day on tap, though. Tomorrow, 61 for your daytime high, so kind of a carbon copy of today. But you notice there is some warmer air in western Montana. That's kind of the leading edge of high pressure that's going to start building over the next couple of days. Here's how it's going to play out. The main weather maker, we're up to Friday now, is going to continue to track out of the region and lift north. That doesn't mean we won't still see a few little isolated storms on Friday, but for the most part, high pressure is going to rebuild across the region. That's going to clear up skies and allow temperatures to get back into the 80s by Sunday. First part of this next week, maybe a couple little isolated showers, more or less, because we have ground moisture now to deal with, and you throw some heat in there, you'll get the convection going. But overall, a fairly mild start to next week, much more mild compared to how we started things off this week. Here's how things are going to be shaping up over the next 6 to 10 days. Warmer than average conditions across western Montana and a good chunk of the state, and likely drier conditions as well due to that high pressure moving in. So with that said, rain continues today in Great Falls. Temperatures staying rather chilly through about Thursday. On Friday, we're going to start to see more scattered showers again, maybe a couple thunderstorms there in the mix as well, as we'll have a little bit more daytime heating to work with as we play through the weekend here in Cut Bank. Still going to be looking at the 70s come Father's Day. A lot more sun to work with and pretty mild conditions. Lewistown 53 today, with finally getting back into the 70s over the weekend. Shannon.